Do you love shopping but end up spending more than your budget? It may be our favorite thing to do, but our wallets would thank us much more if we'd stick to our budget. So if you struggle with staying within your shopping limits, these tips are going to be your ultimate savior.
Yes.
It's always better to finalize a budget before you actually start shopping. Once you have a budget set in your mind, you can make smarter shopping decisions. From what stores to visit to what items to purchase, everything depends on the budget you have set. Identify the colors that suit you and the clothes that suit your body shape the most. Look for versatile pieces that can help you put together multiple different outfits. The internet is a great place to discover unique outfit ideas. Extend the lifespan of your favorite pieces by giving them the highest level of care. Follow the instructions you see on the tags, like if an item has to be washed or dried in a specific manner. These instructions will help you protect your clothes from storing or cleaning mishaps. Soak your jeans in cold water and vinegar to preserve the color. Wrap your seasonal clothing in a linen cloth to keep it fresh through the summer. A brand name doesn't always mean good quality. Look for clothes in local stores and venture into the world of street shopping to find good bargains. Here you have the freedom to haggle the price, and in most cases, you can buy a lot of items at a lesser price. Have you got your eye on the next perfect addition to your closet? It may be wiser to take a step back before you splurge. Keep an eye out for websites that notify you when your bookmarked pieces go on sale. Before you know it, your coveted item will be at a price that's perfect for your budget. Many brands carry similar styles and pieces at varying prices. Once you have selected the piece you want to buy, check and compare in different stores for similar styles. There may be a happy accident where you find the piece you want at a price that agrees with you too. Use these tips wisely, and not only will your outfits look stunning, but your bank account will thank you as well. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.